The Samsung Galaxy Watch FE 40mm 2024 Silver represents Samsung's push to deliver premium smartwatch capabilities at a more accessible price point. Despite being branded as the Fan Edition, there's nothing basic about it. Right out of the box, the Watch FE sports a sleek, lightweight 40mm design that fits comfortably on most wrists, with a durable aluminum frame and a vibrant Super AMOLED display. The 2024 model looks every bit as polished as its more expensive counterparts, carrying Samsung's signature rotating bezel interface, now fully touch-enabled for this version. Powered by Bluetooth connectivity, this smartwatch integrates seamlessly with both Samsung Galaxy devices and other Android smartphones, though users will benefit most when paired with a Galaxy phone. One of the headline features is its AI-powered fitness tracking suite. Built with a bioelectrical impedance analysis (BIA) sensor, it goes beyond basic step counts and calorie tracking. This sensor provides detailed body composition metrics, such as body fat percentage, skeletal muscle, BMI, and water retention, information usually reserved for high-end fitness equipment. Whether you're an athlete optimizing performance or a health-conscious user monitoring wellness, the Galaxy Watch FE keeps you informed and in control. Add to that personalized heart rate zones, and you've got a watch that adapts your cardio training based on your fitness level, offering precise zone-based feedback during workouts. This feature is especially helpful for runners, cyclists, and interval trainers who need heart rate-based coaching without the guesswork. The advanced heart rate monitoring system is also a major upgrade. Equipped with an 8-photodiode HR sensor array, the watch delivers real-time, medical-grade heart rate readings and is capable of detecting irregular rhythms, such as atrial fibrillation (AFib), providing notifications if it detects anything abnormal. Complementing that is its sleep tracking system, which now includes AI-powered sleep coaching. It doesn't just track your light, deep, and REM sleep stages, it also gives you tips to improve your sleep hygiene, helps create a tailored sleep schedule, and integrates seamlessly with SmartThings to create bedtime automations like dimming lights or adjusting room temperature. Despite being a budget-friendly model, the Watch FE supports key smartwatch functionality like notifications, music controls, calendar sync, and customizable watch faces. It lacks LTE or standalone calling, which is fair given the price point, but with Bluetooth 5.3, connectivity remains strong and stable. Battery life is solid too, expect about 40 hours on typical use, with fast wireless charging for quick top-ups when needed. On the software side, it runs Wear OS powered by Samsung, meaning you get access to the Google Play Store, Google Maps, YouTube Music, and third-party apps. Something you won't find on many competing fitness watches from Fitbit or Garmin in this price.